Okay, let's start this really kind of simple sandwich off. It is a nice smoked chicken sandwich. It's a great thing to use for leftover smoked chicken. So basically, I'm just taking these chicken breasts and I'm going to be just putting some rub on them. And then we're going to be putting them out on a smoker with cherry wood and smoking them at about 275 until they are done. This is just Famous Dave's rub. Nothing super fancy here. And then we're going to be making a simple Dijonnaise for our sandwich. Again, I would do this about 24 hours before you're going to actually have your sandwich. And this is just about a half a cup of mayo and about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard that we're going to put in and swirl around. Now, for those of you that are like, well, wait a second, Dave. You make fun of Steve Reichland all the time for smattering his... Yeah. I'm not doing this as the main event. This is a sandwich. Okay? Trust me, the chicken's still going to be the star of this sumbitch. Okay, also, this is an idea when you have leftover chicken. When the chicken's fresh out the smoker, I would have the chicken by itself, maybe with a side dish or two. But since I didn't film that, this is what we're left with. Also, add a little bit of freshly ground black pepper to this mix, and then leave it in the fridge for about 12 to 24 hours. Basically make this the night before, give the flavors a chance to blend. Like I said, this is what you do with leftover chicken. And through the magic of cooking show editing, it's the next day. And we're going to use this deli slicer to slice our chicken to sandwich size slices. I guess it'd be a 1/16 of an inch if I had to get specific. I'm about 3 on the dial there, so if that fucking helps. But if you don't have a deli slicer, you can just chop the chicken, or if you got good knife skills, just slice it really thinly with a knife. But honestly, you can pick up a deli slicer for almost little or nothing. And this will keep in the fridge for, I'd say about 5 days. A good amount of time. So, this is more than one meal and can easily be made into a week's worth of lunch meat for every other sandwich you might have. All right, let's move on to the next step. Okay, I've got some glorious Kaiser rolls for this. And on the bottom of it, we're going to put some of our deliciously sliced smoked chicken. And preheat the oven to about 400 degrees, give or take. And then it's time to add some cheese to this son of a bitch. And I've decided to go with, always got to add a little more meat. Just a little more meat to this. And I've decided to go with some provolone. And, of course, some mild cheddar. And then you want to pop this into the 400-degree oven for 5-10 minutes till the bread's kind of toasted up and the cheese has started to melt. So, see you in about 10 minutes. All right, let's finish this son of a bitch off. What we want right here is a little bit of spicy pickles because I want a little bit of heat with all the smokiness going on. But don't worry about it being too spicy because remember that Dijonnaise we made? Apply a generous amount to the top of the other side of the Kaiser bun, and a little bit more freshly ground black pepper, and just a little bit of hot sauce. You can do this according to taste, and that's it. Done. And I gotta say, not only did I eat this particular sandwich, I did make another one.